Hi everyone, greetings and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I last posted and I hope you are all having an amazing day. My name is Esther and this is Esther's Kitchen Adventure. Today I am excited to share with you my own recipe for spicy chicken sisig, a delicious Filipino dish that I absolutely love. Before we get started, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. First, I am going to marinate my washed chicken breast and chicken liver. I will use fresh ginger and garlic, curry powder, salt seasoning, and some Cameroon pepper for that spicy kick. Mix everything well and let it rest for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, heat a little vegetable oil in a pan and fry the marinated chicken breast and liver on low heat. Cook them slowly so that the chicken breasts are tender and fully cooked inside. Once done, let them cool and chop into smaller pieces. Next, on low heat, heat a little oil in another pan. Saute garlic and ginger until fragrant, then add chopped red and white onions and stir. Now add the chopped chicken breast and stir, followed by the chopped chicken liver. After mixing well, add chopped odd green pepper and red chilies because I love it spicy. Finally, add your seasoning and mayonnaise, then mix everything thoroughly. To serve, prepare hot pot on low heat. Add some butter and let it melt, then add the portion of chicken sisig you want to serve. Crack one raw egg on top and let it cook for just 1 minute. And here you have it, your spicy chicken sisig is ready. Remember to serve it hot with rice. The sisig will continue cooking while you enjoying it, making it more flavorful. Trust me, this is one of the best Filipino dish you will ever taste. That is it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and hit the notification bell so you won't miss my next video. Bye.